How's it going, everybody? Just wanted to give you a quick little tip on replacing a thermostat in a 2004-2005 Volkswagen Beetle. Yes, that's right, Beetle. If you ever find yourself in this position, you're going to be hating to do it, but it's really not that bad. Let me show you a few tips. Now, as far as tools, what you're going to need, nothing major. Oops, sorry about that. Nothing major, nothing hard, nothing complicated. It's all 1/4 inch stuff, as a matter of fact. But you'll need a 1/4 inch extension. Longer the better. 2 sizes. You're going to need a 1/4 inch swivel or a swivel socket. And you'll need a 10mm and an 8mm. That's all there is to it. 10 and an 8. And you can take the whole thing apart, and a pair of pliers to get the hose off, of course. But that's it. As you can see, Volkswagen Beetle. Alright. And if you look at the car, where's it at? Where's it at? Well, you come way down here. Right there where you see all that orange, that's where it's at. And if you look right at the bottom of the hole, you'll see the bolt holes. And if you don't do these things that I'm fixing to tell you, you'll never get it. First, of course, take the radiator hose off. Then you're going to want to take the battery terminals loose, both of them. Keep them out of the way. And then you see this right here? This goes on the back of the alternator, right there. And what it does, get my hand in here so I can show you. Here it goes across here, down, and then over this way. And if you don't take that nut off, and there's another nut down here, if you do not take those off, you will not, I repeat, not be able to get that out. And once you get all of that out, you can then do this. That's all. This is what you're trying to get to. All that aggravation. There's what it looks like with the new one in it. Not hard, it'll stay up there by itself. The hardest part is using one hand and getting that little rubber O-ring gasket in there. But it's not hard, guys. It really isn't. Now we just repeat the process and we'll be done here in about 30 minutes. That's all there is to it. Undo the battery so you don't arc anything when you go to undo the alternator. Excuse me. Take off that one terminal off the back of the alternator, and then the one nut down at the bottom that holds the wire or cable, if you will, to the alternator. The whole thing will slide out of the way and you'll be able to get to the bolts that holds the thermostat housing on. Now the trick next is going to be getting the thermostat to stay in while you put the new housing on there, but it ain't that bad. But I just wanted to give you this tip. Hopefully it helps you in the long run. And until next time, we'll see you later, guys. Take care.